Okay guys, let's take a train ride to the city center.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I'm here in London, Heathrow. So it's a sunny day today. We're gonna go out and check what the city has to offer. Especially now it's very open, so you don't actually need to wear your face mask outside the city. It's a sunny day today, so join me and as we go around London Heathrow. Thank you. So we are in the Piccadilly Center. So this is Chinatown in London. So this is the Arc. So this is like the main entrance to Chinatown. So of course there's a lot of Chinese restaurants and Peking duck. Oh my god, I'm actually craving for Peking duck. But unfortunately we're traveling with people who doesn't eat foods, Asian foods. But so let's see where we're gonna eat. Okay. So what's nice about here in London, there's a lot of restaurants, Asian, Japanese, Chinese, Indonesian. Yeah. They have this.
For lunch, we went to this Italian restaurant for some pizza and pasta.
So we're eating.
After lunch, let's go see more of the city. What is this building, or what do you call this?
Okay, guys, so we're in front of Buckingham Palace. And guys, so this is the gate to Buckingham Palace. As you can see, it's a warm day today. So they put all these barriers because they were able to celebrate, I think, the 70th or 75th monarchy years of the oldest monarchy in the world, which is the British monarchy. There you go, guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po.